What's up, Holochain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Holochain Urgent News. My friends, this is urgent news for all Holochain holders. Keep watch this video till the end. And my friends, get ready to the what? Get ready to the moon. Get ready to the moon, my friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, please, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now, let's see the latest update of Holochain. After that, we discuss what will be the next move of Holochain this time in the market. So, if you look the latest price of the Holochain this time in the market, so 0.0090006 USD dollar is the currently price of the Holochain. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Holochain, so the last 1 hour price is positive, last 1 day price is positive, last 1 week price is negative. So from yesterday, Holochain start jumping from yesterday. So get ready to the moon, my friends. On the 6th June, on the last of this week, Holochain will take a huge pump. Remember that Holochain will take a huge pump, remember that. Anyways, what is your opinion? Tell me in the comment box. And my personal opinion, my personal suggestion, my personal recommendation about Holochain is good, and I recommend for everyone it's time to hold, not to sell. I always recommend hold. Any cryptocurrencies you hold it for a long time. If you hold it for a long time, you will get profit. And if you say tomorrow, yesterday, no, that's not a way to make money with the cryptocurrencies market. Anyways, what's going on this time in a Holochain? Let's see, my friends. Here this time, absolutely, my friends, the price chart is going positive. You can see here that is the last 1 week. From the 1st June they start jumping, and now still they're falling down for a little time. That is why the price change is negative, but I hope that price change will again positive. And now, as I show you, that the last 1 hour price change is positive, so now it's mean that they are in the jumping mode. So my friends, my personal suggestion, my personal recommendation for everyone at this time is to hold, not to sell. Hold, not to sell. If you hold, you will get profit. If you sell, no, nothing you will get. My prediction about Holochain is 100% positive, and I believe that the huge pump, they will take a huge pump for and the last of this week. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Holochain? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.